First game, I drop that song there again. It a do things. It turn up loud. Hey, and voice you know say, I'm rotten dude. Worst game, a worst nightmare.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S game here with another reaction. Move! Today, guys, today we are with Khago. Yeah, man. Sky got himself with Sleep With Your Enemy. Yeah. Long Chain Global Swag. Big up yourself. Yes, Long Chain Global Swag record. Big up yourself. Could jump in the one here with Khago said, man. Let's go. Let's get it.
Swag record.
No. First thing first, make me tell you, man. I just bang. Khago, you know. Yeah. Must check your some for me, I sell you. Dealer, what of you? I tell you, you ever sleep with your enemy. You ever sleep with your enemy. Been sleeping with the enemy. Have you ever sleep with your enemy? Have you ever sleep with your enemy? Any girl want my love again, I'll be a one time for the month like JPS for.
Any girl want him love again? One time for the month, you mean? One time the G say.
Swag record.
Some hear the Jeep on him life for the year and he must say, yo, anytime, like, basically, when just say a while ago, one time for the month, him say the reason for that is because him now go have no nature in him tongue. Him know say, yo, a long time him cocky not get none, so I'm cocky that one time for the month, then I'm cocky, I go get pleased. So that's why him can't go something a pussy. That's what the G say.
Come in a hurry. Bang. Worst game, man. I just bang.
Swag record.
Khago, you know.
Khago, Sky God, talk to them again, my G. Like go.
No. First thing first, let me tell you. Yeah.
Alright then.
Must check your some for me, I sell you. Dealer, what of you? I tell you, you ever sleep with your enemy. You ever sleep with your enemy. Been sleeping with the enemy. Have you ever sleep with your enemy? Have you ever sleep with your enemy?
Talk to them.
Any girl want my love again, I'll be a one time for the month like JPS for.
Yeah.
And if you make a damn pants and you don't pay on the bill, me plug it out from my heart on the side. Yeah, them a girl are too wicked, but you can't have no sympathy for them and no angel. She says she love you, and then she break your heart and she got not even tell you something. Sleep with your enemy. You ever sleep with your enemy? Have you ever sleep with?
Swag record.
Yeah, vocal boy. Yeah, vocal youth. Khago. Yeah.
First thing first,
Mama tell her. Yeah.
Must check your some for me, I sell
Tell
you.
her.
Dealer, what of you? I tell you, you ever sleep with your enemy. You ever sleep with your enemy. Been sleeping with the enemy. Have you ever sleep with your enemy? Have you ever sleep with your enemy? Any girl want my love again, I'll be a one time for the the month like
JPS.
And if you make a damn pants and you don't pay on the bill, me plug it out from my heart on a sir.
What?
Yeah, them a gal are too wicked, but you can't have no sympathy pon them and no angel. She says she love you, and then she break your heart and she gone. Not even tell your son no. Sleep with your enemy.
Where is
You ever sleep with your enemy? Have you ever sleep with your enemy? I've been sleeping with my enemy. Been sleeping with my enemy. I've been sleeping with the enemy. In the name of love. Have you ever sleep with your enemy if you want him? Lot of G's out there have been there. And them a girl that's so wicked and dry. And my girl we make a real man one girl. Don't
So when I say sleep with your enemy, it no mean say you know say that person they are your enemy and you go look them and sleep with them, and that it mean, you know, it means that some of them girls away in your house, ladies, some of them money when on the house are an enemy. Them not like you really. You see me? Them just did it because I love. That's how the G say.
Wicked and dry. And my girl we make a real man one girl. Don't tell no girl a secret on a pillow. Then we make your crab walk like caterpillar.
No tell no girl no secret on no pillow. No have no pillow talk with no girl. No lie down in your bed. Whatever your right hand know, no make your left hand know. Them girl will make you walk sideways like crab.
Secret on a pillow. Then we make your crab walk like caterpillar. Them a girl that don't got no love. Them man go love things general. You ever sleep with your enemy? You ever sleep with
the man? Bad Khago.
Swag record.
Bumbleclad. Bad you bad. Swag record. Big up.
No. First thing first, mama tell you. Yeah. Must check your son for me, I sell you. Dealer, what of you? I tell you ever sleep with your enemy. You ever sleep with your enemy. Been sleeping with the enemy. Have you ever sleep with your enemy? Have you ever sleep with your enemy?
Alright then.
Any girl want my love, I gonna pay one time for the month like JPS. And if you make a damn pants and you don't pay on the bill, me plug it out from my heart on a sir. Yeah, them a girl are too wicked, but you can't have no sympathy pon them and no angel. She says she love you, and then she break your heart and she gone. Not even tell your son no. Sleep with your enemy. You ever sleep with your enemy? Have you ever sleep with your enemy? I've been sleeping with my enemy. Been sleeping with my enemy. I've been sleeping with the enemy. In the name of love. Have you ever sleep with your enemy if you want him? Lot of G's out there have been there. And them a girl that's so wicked and dry. And my girl we make a real man one girl. Don't tell no girl a secret on a pillow. Then we make your crab walk like caterpillar. Them a girl that don't got no love. The man go love things general. You ever sleep with your enemy? You ever sleep with your enemy? Have you ever sleep with your enemy? Are the dealer? You ever sleep with your enemy? Have you ever sleep with your enemy? Tell me if you ever sleep with your enemy. Tell me how it feels.
Four color.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I know it. Yeah, I know it.
Sleep with your enemy. You ever sleep
Yo, what can I say, bro? Like, what can I say that Khago, like, Khago vocal range them no miss, brother. Like, Khago just have it like that, bro. And talented. To just get up and just go in the studio and just do a song just like that, bro. That is Sky God for you. Khago, big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself, my fam. Like, crazy. I'm guessing this one is a half album as well. I'm not sure. Because you know, say him have a new album forward. One more, another mile, right? Or one more mile, right? Yo, Khago, big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself, my fam. What can I say, guys? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section about this one. I like it. Have you ever? Enough man out there sleep with them enemy, you know. And enough girl out there sleep with them enemy said way too, you know. Remember that, you know. You see me? So a fact to G attack, you see me? Yeah, you know, it's a be a reality Khago sing, bro. So big up yourself, Sky God. One rotten head, you know? Yeah, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section about this one, though. Yes. And I'll catch you guys in the next one, you see me? Yes, man. Peace.
Earth Game, I drop that song there again. It a do things. It turn up loud. Hey, any voice you know say, a rotten dude. Worst game, a worst nightmare.